They call it a secret. It is a whisper that has traveled through the world of aviation for decades. Newspapers, online forums, talk about it in hushed tones. People point to strange, blurry photos, old government reports. The story is about a Lockheed jet that many people say was hidden from the public. It is a tale of advanced technology, desert test sites, the enduring power of government secrecy. This essay will follow a clear timeline of events. It will explain what we know for sure. It will carefully show what is proven fact and what is only rumor. The goal is to uncover the truth, step by step, about this mysterious aircraft. To understand the rumors of a hidden jet, one must first understand the Skunk Works. This is the official nickname for Lockheed Martin's advanced development programs. Founded in 1943 by the legendary engineer Clarence Kelly Johnson, this division was created for a single purpose. It was designed to build technologically advanced aircraft quickly and in complete secrecy. Their first project was the P-80 Shooting Star, America's first operational jet fighter, designed and built in a circus tent in only 143 days. The Skunk Works developed a unique culture of innovation and silence. Kelly Johnson had a set of 14 rules that emphasized small teams, simple procedures, and direct communication with the customer. The result? Revolutionary aircraft that seemed to appear out of nowhere. The U-2, the SR-71 Blackbird, the fastest air-breathing manned aircraft ever built. Their success cemented Skunk Works' reputation for secret projects. The story of the modern secret jet truly gained momentum in the 1980s. High tension, the Cold War era, the United States was pouring money into advanced military tech. The F-117 operated in secret while even more advanced concepts were being explored. Aviation magazines and industry journals started asking about Aurora, a rumored hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft said to fly above Mach 5. The rumors were fueled by a few tantalizing clues. In a 1985 U.S. budget document, a line item named Aurora appeared, nearly $2.3 billion for black aircraft production, then vanished from later pages. Some called it a clerical mistake, others saw a deliberate leak or accidental reveal. That single entry became the cornerstone of a myth, perhaps a replacement for the SR-71. Residents near Area 51 reported strange, powerful engine noises at night, a deep pulsing roar. There were unusual contrails, described as donuts on a rope, sign hinting at pulse detonation propulsion. The sightings were anecdotal but consistent. These clues established a narrative, a hypersonic aircraft, possibly named Aurora, developed by Lockheed Skunk Works at Spire Brady, with Spire Brady High Kinskorn, would Brady, a spy plane, higher and faster than anything before. As the 1990s began, the search moved from nighttime sightings to careful analysis of public documents. With the Cold War ending, researchers hoped details of secret projects might trickle out. They combed public records, looking for research funding under vague terms. Significant money still flowed to classified programs. Patents became crucial clues. Companies must file to protect inventions, even for secret work, revealing concepts without sensitive details. Researchers found unusual aircraft shapes, advanced engine inlets, new radar-absorbing materials, even a hypersonic design with an integrated airframe propulsion system. These showed Lockheed exploring designs for Mach 5 and beyond. The documents were puzzle pieces, not the whole picture, but hints of something extraordinary. Declassified records reference tests of materials and advanced propulsion at remote ranges, heavily redacted, but real. While not proving an operational aircraft, the 1990s paper trail added credibility. Real research, happening in secret. The arrival of the new millennium brought the rise of the internet. This new tool transformed the search. Information could be shared instantly across the globe. Hobby pilots, local workers near military bases, and dedicated sky watchers connected on forums and websites. Reported sightings increased. People saw low-flying, dark-colored craft near remote bases, Nevada, California, moving with unusual speed and silence. With digital cameras and phones, blurry photos leaked online. They typically show dark triangular diamond-shaped aircraft with sharp angles, consistent with stealth principles, igniting intense forum debates. People analyzed pixels, size, shape, even propulsion. Speculative names spread, on the TR-3 a black manta, and more. Experts were skeptical. Many photos were inconclusive, conventional planes at odd angles, hoaxes, or known drones and older classified craft. Despite skepticism, the images gave the public a faint visual of the ghosts they had been chasing, and interest surged. Section 6. The leaks intensify, claims and counterclaims. Around the 2010s, the story took another turn. A new wave arrived, leaked documents and claims from alleged whistleblowers. They were more detailed and dramatic, yet harder to verify. Some claimed work at secret ranges, Area 51. Others, former contractors with inside knowledge. They spoke of a small, incredibly fast jet pushing the boundaries of known technology. Pulse detonation engines, combined cycle propulsion, materials, and coatings for stealth. Heat-resistant composites for hypersonic flight, claims often named Lockheed Skunk Works. But there was a problem, a lack of solid proof. Identities were anonymous, documents lacked clear markings, photos lacked sharp detail. Journalists treated them with caution. A good story is not a proven fact. Misinformation can be deliberate. Yet the claims shaped the narrative, a tangible aircraft with a specific mission built by real people sworn to secrecy. Section 7. The Veiled Truth. Official records and patents. In 2015, an investigative journalist obtained declassified flight test logs through a Freedom of Information Act request. They came from the Air Force Flight Test Center at Edwards Air Force Base. The logs showed a series of prototype flights over several years, unusual paths, high-altitude maneuvers, new flight control tests. Pilots were unnamed, but their existence was confirmed. This was solid official proof of recent secret flight testing. Not proof of a fielded weapon system, but undeniable advanced work. Later, a cleared Lockheed Martin patent described a compact, low-observable aircraft, sleek triangular planform, advanced stealth, specialized high-speed intake. The language was technical but unmistakable. A patent shows intent and investment in R&D, even if not every design is built. Together, logs and patents aligned with credible sightings, painting a compelling, if incomplete, picture of a real secret aviation program. The veiled truth. Behind secrecy, real prototypes flew, and real designs were protected, a foundation stronger than rumor, yet short of a public reveal. Section 8. Why keep a jet secret? The logic of covert aviation. Why would a government keep an aircraft hidden? To protect a technological advantage, unprecedented speed or stealth confers a major edge. Secrecy prevents adversaries from developing counters. It protects operational security for sensitive missions, espionage or special operations. Public exposure lets others catalog signatures, eroding surprise. Secrecy also avoids premature political controversy about cost and intent. Some aircraft are testbeds, X-planes, to trial engines, materials, or aerodynamics, never meant for frontline service. These one-offs gather data for future designs. Sightings may trace back to such programs. By design, the public rarely sees them, and that is the point. Section 9. Summing up the shadows, what we know and what we don't. After decades of rumors, sightings, and research, what can we say for certain about Lockheed's secret jet? The story is a tapestry woven from fact, speculation, and outright fiction. We must separate the threads carefully. Evidence strongly points to ongoing secret research and flight testing by Lockheed and the U.S. government on advanced jet designs. This is supported by multiple credible lines of evidence. Logs prove prototypes have been tested in secret. Patents show Lockheed designed fast, stealthy jets. Budgets confirm billions for black aircraft programs. Retired insiders have hinted at aircraft the public has never seen, but we do not have clear public proof of a single fully operational secret jet in service. Aurora likely referred to a cancelled effort or a B-2 placeholder.